guys, this is RDDC here. Today is today. I'm finally going to pick up my Vader seats. You saw the pictures. If you follow my Instagram, obviously you've been following my build. I haven't been doing a lot of videos on the build, but today we're going to go down to Burton Hills Upholstery in upstate New York. Supposedly it's the only place, I don't know, I guess in the area to get the seats done. They knocked it out within a week. I'm going to pick it up now. We're in the U-Haul because I don't have a truck, and we'll see what they look like. All right, so hold tight. We'll record more when we get to the building. Alright guys, we're here at Burton Hills Upholstery, so let's go on in and see what our seats look like here. So, and I just want to let you know, they're charging around, I think it's like, I don't know, $575, something like that. Now I couldn't complain on the price because there's nobody else in the area that does it, so I'm kind of screwed, like it or not. So, but you know, hopefully it's worth the money. So let's go in, take a look. Dun, dun. Yeah, these things are beautiful. Now, okay, now I'm not gonna lie, there are some creases in here, you know, but this material is softer than the BMW material. It feels really nice, actually. You know, so you can see that. You know, because my custom car, you know, I'm not gonna be probably sitting in it too much, you know, stuff I gotta clean under here. I just got them back from the shop, so I have to clean them all up and everything else. You know, I might carbon fiber wrap the back of it. I don't know, because well, no, the netting's not really in the way, so I don't know, you know. So we'll see what we're gonna make with this thing, and see how it goes. But yeah, man, so these things cost me $585 to put the covers on it, because they had to peel the old ones off, and then I put the new skins on, or they put the new skins on. The skins cost me about $900 after taxes. So, you know, altogether, man, it's about $1,600 for these things just to get them looking like that. But they look like brand new, which is really cool. So I'm super stoked. So definitely worth it to have the originals back in the car.